So let's say you have a super cool website or Notion page that you want to share with people. Here I have my media kit that I want to share with people. There are two ways that you can do that in Notion. So one way is privately. So let's say if this is with like a client or just your bestie, just one other person or a couple other people that you want to share this page with, you can share it privately, or you can publish it online like a website. So here's how we're gonna do it. First, we're gonna hit the share menu, and in this box right here, we're gonna invite, that's me. You're gonna click their name and invite them. I'm the owner of this workspace, but if you invite your bestie or your client or whoever, they're going to get an email from Notion saying that you've invited them to their workspace, and specifically this one page. So hit invite, and that person is going to be showing up in this little modal here. The second way to share your page is through literally just posting it online. So we're going to go into the share menu again, and we're going to hit publish and then publish. Yeah, so now this Notion page exists online, and you can see it online here. This page is live. This banner is going to be up here. This page is live at this website. So when you're sharing this page, you're not going to use the link in the address bar. You're going to use this share link in this modal here. And the great thing about sharing things online now with Notion is that you can set it to be duplicable as a template, which I'm going to toggle off because I don't want anyone to duplicate my media kit. But duplicating as a template is going to be great for if you are publishing an actual Notion template or a resource that you want people to take home with them. You can set the link to expire. This is only available on the paid plans. So this is great for if you, let's say, I've used it before for sharing like a blog post that I'm writing, and I don't want to, like, I'm sharing it, but like it's going to disappear after a while. You can also turn on and off indexing. Editing. The link and description is available on paid plans, and you can also customize the website to change your share preview for like when you post online on social media. You can change the theme, light, dark. You can change the favicon, so that is the little thingy that shows up in your tabs and websites, and then you can change this little header here, and of course add your Google Analytics for, you know, measuring how people find you. So these are two ways that you can share your Notion pages with other people online.